Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover the best time to visit Hong Kong. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about the best month to visit Hong Kong. Also post your favorite season to go to Hong Kong in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. Hong Kong, officially the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region of the People's Republic of China, is a city and special administrative region of China on the eastern Pearl River Delta in South China. It is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Asia, and if you're looking forward to visit Hong Kong in the near future but confused about what is the best time of year to visit Hong Kong with family or friends, watch this video till the end to clear all your doubts regarding when is the best time to visit Hong Kong. Best time to visit Hong Kong. Hong Kong is the kind of city that you can visit any time of the year and still have a wonderful trip with some fantastic memories. The best time to visit Hong Kong is March to April and October to November. Summers are generally hot and humid, while winters are cool and dry. Hong Kong locals brave the city's erratic weather and are known to carry on with their work, no matter what is happening outside. The springtime, March, April, sees cool pleasant evenings. While you might not be as intrepid as the Hong Kongers, you're bound to have a wonderful time taking in the amazing sights, visiting the fantastic amusement parks, or just chilling in the Tsim Sha Tsui Promenade or Kowloon Park. Hong Kong is considered to be a year-round destination because each season has its own distinct attractive features. The weather might tend to become a little extreme during peak summer or peak winter, but apart from that, it's almost always tolerable. What makes it more than just tolerable is that there's an exciting and full social calendar throughout the year, so no matter when you visit, you're bound to come across something interesting happening here. Nevertheless, it's always a good idea to know what to expect in terms of weather when you travel to Hong Kong. Best time to visit Hong Kong for shopping. Hong Kong is a shopper's paradise year-round, but one of the best times for bargains is from July through early September, when many retailers offer attractive discounts to lure customers in from the city's beaches. You'll also see many big fashion labels launching their latest looks for autumn and winter. Just after Christmas and before Chinese New Year is another good period for sales. If you'd like to experience Hong Kong's largest night market, the Temple Street Market located in the Yau-Ma-Tei and Jordan area of Kowloon is open all year with the exception of the first day of Chinese New Year. It's best visited after 7 p.m., and most stalls will be open until nearly midnight. Best time to visit Hong Kong Disneyland. The best time for a visit to Hong Kong Disneyland is when the weather is relatively dry and temperatures are comfortable, usually between November and April. If you're hoping to avoid crowds and especially long lines, avoid going around any major holidays, and try to visit in either early November or the month of April. No matter when you arrive, go on a weekday and plan to get there at least a few minutes before the park opens. Best time to visit Hong Kong. To visit Victoria Peak. The best time to visit Victoria Peak is right after it rains, which is most frequently during the summer months, as it helps to clear the air, allowing for the best views. If you hope to avoid long lines, go on a weekday around 9 a.m. The busiest time tends to be just before sunset on a clear day, but this is also the time when you'll be able to enjoy a spectacular vista as the sun dips below the horizon, and after dark, the entire city is especially stunning with all of the dazzling lights laid out before you. Best time to visit Hong Kong for festivals. Hong Kong is illuminated with festivals throughout much of the year, but if you want to experience the biggest and most colorful, plan to go during Chinese New Year, which falls on the new moon between January 21st and February 20th. At this time the city is filled with excitement and hordes of tourists, so you'll need to plan your trip well in advance. If you're here in late May or early June, while you'll need to be prepared for hot and steamy weather, you can enjoy the opportunity to witness the elaborately designed boats in the Xingmen River during the Dragon Boat Festival. Hong Kong travel seasons. High season in Hong Kong, October through mid-May. Hong Kong is a popular destination year-round, which means it doesn't have a well-defined high or low season. The busiest periods tend to be outside of the hot summer months, peaking during busy periods like the Golden Holiday Week around May 1st, October 1st, and Chinese New Year in late January/early February. During this time, you'll need to book hotels well in advance and prepare for thick crowds, though a mass of visitors can be expected throughout much of the year. Shoulder season in Hong Kong, mid-May through June. During late spring in Hong Kong, the heat and humidity are usually bearable, and room rates are slightly more manageable, though you may not get much relief from the crowds. Low season in Hong Kong, July and August. The summer is generally considered low season, though you're unlikely to find steeply discounted rates as you would in many other destinations. The hot, muggy, and typhoon-prone weather hasn't been dissuading travelers or causing hotel rates to drop like they once did, so you'll want to weigh any bargains against the cost of suffering through the heat and sweaty tourists. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite season to visit Hong Kong in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too.